So as you get comfortable, notice your breath and close the eyes. Breathe in a sense of comfort and ease throughout your entire body. Imagine any negativity leaving your body with that out breath. Give it a color and just allow it to leave your body with that out breath. And as you breathe in oxygen and calm and peace and confidence, giving that a color. And every out breath you release negativity, doubts, fears, worries, limiting beliefs. It flows out of your body along with carbon dioxide and stale air, stale ideas. Leaves your body and flows up through the room, through the ceiling, through the roof of the house. It flows out into the sky, through the clouds, into the upper atmosphere, and into space, dispersing, dissolving away. As you breathe in a sense of calm and confidence, and beginning to feel that in your body now. And as your breath continues to do that work for you, breathing in the calm and the confidence, breathing away any stress, doubts, fears, worries, hurt, pain, shame, fear, guilt, anger, frustration, limiting beliefs placed on you by anyone else or yourself. Letting it all go. In a moment, I'm going to get you to open and close your eyes, and every time you close your eyes, go twice as deep into relaxation as before. So as you breathe in, open the eyes, hold for a beat, and exhale, close the eyes. Breathe normally now. As you breathe in, open the eyes again. Hold for a beat. Exhale. Closing the eyes, deeper relaxed with every breath. Breathe normally now. And one more time as you breathe in and open the eyes. Hold. And this time exhale through your mouth like blowing out a candle. Close the eyes. And breathe normally now. And through closed eyes, see your feet resting there. Tell the muscles and nerves to relax more. Scanning up through the ankles, the calf muscles, telling the muscles and the nerves to relax more. Up through the knees and the thighs, seeing through closed eyes, your legs relaxing more. Through the hips and the tummy, telling the muscles and the nerves and the internal organs to relax more. Up through the chest, the shoulders, the arms, the hands, the fingers and the fingertips to relax more. Dropping any remaining tension throughout your entire body as a whole. Seeing your entire body as a relaxed being, more and more relaxed with every in-breath, breathing in a comfort and an ease, and letting go of any doubts, fears and worries, limiting beliefs, tension, stresses, anger, frustration. Now it leaves your body naturally and easily, leaving your body, leaving the room, leaving the building, through the sky and the clouds, into the upper atmosphere and into space. Gone. And now you breathe in a healing energy, a strength, a resilience, confidence in yourself and your abilities. And in your mind, say to yourself, I am strong and confident. I am strong and confident. Repeating that strongly in your mind. I am strong and confident. I'm strong and confident in my abilities. I'm strong and confident in my decisions. I'm strong and confident and resilient. I'm strong and confident and resilient. As that repeats in the back of your mind, imagine creating an energy field around your body as you breathe in, like the energy goes through your entire body, around your entire body, protective and healing and strengthening with every breath that you take. Give that strength a color and an energy, like a bubble and an energy and a shield to anything that's negative around you. Harnessing your positive energy and strength and confidence. It fills your mind and your body with greater strength and confidence and positivity all around your body, like an energy field that keeps all that good stuff in and encourages it and strengthens it, keeps anything negative out. You can share that positive energy anytime you wish to with anyone else, like a glow and an energy that helps other people too. As people feel your positive energy now, and you feel it, you're strong and confident and in control. You're strong and confident and in control. And from now on you will feel stronger, more confident, more positive and in control. Go to a time in the future when you are strong and confident, in control and succeeding. See what you'll see, hear what you'll hear, feel what you'll feel, and step into that you right now. Stepping into that strong and confident you. See what you'll see, feel what you'll feel, hear what you'll hear, reminding yourself of times in the past when you felt strong and confident and in control, and turning it up like a knob or a dial. You can turn up the numbers of that strength and confidence to exactly where you want it to be right now. And from now on you will feel those good feelings anytime you take that deliberate breath and say these words: I am strong and confident and in control. I'm strong and confident and in control. I am strong and confident and in control. You can allow yourself to drift off into a nice dream or a sleep. Or at the count of 5, you can open your eyes, wide awake, feeling amazing. It's already 1, feeling more awake and aware of the room around you. 2, moving your body a little bit. 3, feeling really good and well rested. 4, feeling really good all the way through, strong and confident. And 5, open your eyes, wide awake, feeling amazing.